welcome to Elizabeth's Craft Room and Ready Set Demo here on Facebook and on YouTube for a quick look at the Wanted to Say dies and something brand new that I think you are going to love. It's going to save so much time as a crafter. You're going to think it's great. So let's get started. We're going to cut a little celebrate sign with the mini cut and emboss. There's the little mini one, fits everywhere. So this is kind of the background piece, and that I have cut in the Night of Navy. And then, ooh, shiny. We're going to cut this in Glimmer. And you may be saying to me, Liz, there isn't any Glimmer in the catalogue. No, there isn't, but look at it. There is Glimmer on the online exclusives, but this is no ordinary Glimmer. This was worth waiting for, and it's worth grabbing while you can, and I'm going to show you why. Not only is it shiny, and we do love a bit of shiny, but even better than that, look at this. That is adhesive backing onto our Glimmer. How cool is that? So this is now, I'm just taking out those last little bits. Most of them have actually stayed in there, but I'm just going to take out a little bit in there. I think we're all done. Let's go for it. I'll just get that bit off. Here we go. And then we're going straight on, because all adhesive on the back. No need to play with liquid glue for this. We love our Tombow, but this for Glimmer. Yay! How pretty is that? We can do sparkly in silver. We can do sparkly in gold with these layered dies. But think of all the other things that you can do with, it's called the silver and gold adhesive backed Glimmer. And it's 12 by 12. And you're going to love it. Thanks for visiting today. Oh, and over on my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, because not all my videos go onto Facebook and you don't want to miss out on any. So thanks for visiting. Bye.